Hi there! Now that you're becoming more familiar with Project Assistant's key functions and features, including the dashboard, project, and deliverable screens, let's dive a little deeper. In this tutorial, we'll go through the features on the Task Group screen. The Task Group screen is used to plan and manage the details of a task group, including, you guessed it, its tasks. Across the top, you'll see the task group's title is on the upper left of the screen. Click the pencil to edit. Its deliverable is displayed above the title. Clicking the arrow to the left of the title will take you back to the deliverable screen. Roll over the eye to display the tooltip for the task group's description, and click the eye to edit the tooltip and to view and edit the task group's description. Click the paperclip to attach a document or access documents that have been attached. Click the list icon to toggle back to the main task group view. To split some of the tasks into a new task group, click the button on the right. Here you can drag and drop tasks from the current task group into a new one. You can then rename the task group. You can also pin priority tasks and change their status from not started to in progress, on hold, in review, done, and not needed. Click the green button to display only in progress tasks, pinned done, and pinned not started tasks. Click the button again to display all tasks. You'll see the task group status displayed on the left. The status is rolled up from its tasks. To the right of the status is the percentage of completed tasks, and to the right of the percentage complete is the calendar icon that changes color based on the task group schedule. Red indicates overdue, orange is due soon, and no icon indicates it's early in the work period or scheduled in the future. The Assigned To drop-down displays the team members. Adding a new team member will automatically add them to the project. When you label a task group as priority, it will be displayed on the scheduled report. The work scheduled for displays the work period. Click the calendar icon and select the work period. Finally, let's explore the individual tasks. Click the plus button on the green bar to add a task. Click a task once to select it. 3 vertical dots will appear on the right, allowing you to open, rename, delete, cut, copy, and upgrade a task to a task group. Roll over the assigned person's first initial to view their email address. Double-click a task to open it and edit the description. Thanks for watching! For more information, click the question mark in the upper right in Project Assistant.